Hi my little art fam, welcome back to an artist journey series. In today's video I'll be discussing the importance of understanding the color wheel. Now what is a color wheel? It is a diagram that consists of color hues that shows the relationships between primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. Now I'll be explaining those terms in a minute. So the first reason why you need to understand the color wheel is so that way you can understand how to create colors. So for instance, if you're painting and you're like, oh man, I ran out of purple, dang it. Well, you gotta know that red and blue make purple. The second reason is to understand what colors go with each other and what colors contrast each other, and how to make the contrasting colors cohesive in your artwork. The third and final reason is so that way colors can actually indicate the tone of your artwork. Surprisingly, there is a correlation between color and psychology. In other words, when color choice is very important in your artwork, and that sets off a certain mood to the viewer that's viewing your artwork. So let's just say in this piece, right? What feeling does this make you feel? What does this art piece make you feel? It's supposed to be, well, I mean, you can have whatever feeling that you have, but what I was trying to portray is peacefulness because it's a sunset, or it can be interpreted as a sunrise, but either way it's supposed to be calm, warm, but in order to convey that is I have to make sure that I choose the right colors to correspond with that mood, whatever that mood is. Now let's look at another artwork that I made, and this artwork was made like last year, and it was an observational drawing, and the object was a skeleton that you find in a biology class. So let me know what you feel about this one compared to the sunset. But there's supposed to be different feelings between the sunset and this painting, but that's the whole point. And whatever you feel in this one, I basically triggered those feelings by the colors that I chose in this painting. Do you see? So, like I said, primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Secondary colors are green, orange, and purple. And tertiary colors are primary, secondary colors. So, what do I mean? So, the primary colors are just an overall general category, and secondary and tertiary colors are like subcategories of one or the other. You know what I mean? So in order to create orange, you need red and yellow. To create green, you need blue and yellow. And then for purple, you need red and blue to create the secondary colors. You know what I mean? And then the tertiary colors are the primary mixed with the secondary colors. So a tertiary color would be like a yellow-orange mix, you know what I mean? And like a purple, like how you find one of those Crayola or the Crayola pencils or whatever. So, and then they give like a specific label to the color, and it's not just like blue, it'd be like a purple, bluish violet or whatever. That's a tertiary color. Or yellowish green is another tertiary color. That's all I have for this video. I hope this video was a little bit, helpful to you. Make sure that you have comment down below. Make sure that you have subscribed so that way you can be a part of the art fam. And make sure that you turn on notifications so that you won't miss my future videos. Anyways, I'll be going. Bye, my little art fam.